Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a work schedule to the iPhone calendar. After unlocking your iPhone, open the calendar app. Look at the top right corner of the screen and tap the ++ icon. This opens the new event page, where you can enter all the details for your work schedule and customize it according to your needs. In the title field, enter a name such as Work Schedule. You can use any title that matches your job, shift, or task. Choosing a clear title makes it easier to identify the event later in your calendar. Select the start date and time for your work schedule. Then, choose the end date and time to define the length of your shift or event. Make sure the timing is correct so your schedule appears accurately in the calendar. Scroll down and tap on the Repeat option. If your work schedule occurs regularly, select an option such as every day or another repeat pattern that fits your routine. If it's a one-time event, choose Never. After reviewing all the details, tap the Add or Done button. Your work schedule will be saved to the calendar app, and your iPhone can send reminders based on the event settings. You can edit or update the schedule anytime if needed. And that's how you can add a work schedule to the iPhone calendar step by step. Once completed, your work events will be saved, and your iPhone can help keep you organized with reminders and schedule tracking. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple tutorials.